It's news no family wants to hear, and for a Liberty father, he has 2 extra special reasons to fight, but he needs your help. Lindsay Shively has this story all new this morning.
Go, go, go.
With 2 toddlers, this young family stays busy.
Just a dad.
And when Marshall Sherlock felt a pain in his neck months ago, he thought he had just pulled something.
I started having nerve pain, started shooting over top of my head.
He quickly went to the doctor. After several more doctors and 3 months of mystery and unbearable pain, the 27-year-old got his answer.
Never thought that I'd have cancer.
Non-Hodgkin's Burkitt's lymphoma, stage 4. It wasn't Marshall that broke the news to his wife, Megan. You see, she's been a nurse here for years, not just at North Kansas City Hospital, but on the oncology floor.
So I left work and got to go home and tell him the news.
Just started bawling, and I knew what was up right then and there.
When you work up here around all these people, you never think you're going to be in here with your husband.
Cried for a long time, and then decided no more crying, just get through it.
And they are, with a lot of help.
He's going to be one that we're going to cure.
The oncology staff here was already like family. Now they're on Team Sherlock, helping him heal and helping the Sherlock's other battle, too.
The bills come every day, piles of them, and insurance does not pay.
So they're buying and selling T-shirts and bracelets. Countless people are reaching out. They're planning a huge fundraiser in Liberty, so Marshall can be around for moments like this.
That's something I think about all the time, is the kids, you know, and growing up without a dad, and which I have to stop myself. You can't think like that.
Staying positive, one day at a time. Lindsay Shively, NBC Action News.
And that put life in perspective. Well, if you would like to help Team Sherlock, you can go to their fundraiser this Wednesday or buy a T-shirt or bracelet. We did put all that information online. Hope you go. Check it out. NBCActionNews.com and look under Health.